Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to register for KFH online. First, navigate to the official KFH website using your preferred browser. Look for the registration link, often labeled New User or Register Now, usually found near the login area. Have your account number, civil ID, and other personal information ready to ensure a smooth setup process. This initial step is crucial for accessing your banking services securely. Next, you'll need to accurately enter your KFH account number and your civil ID. The system will then prompt you to verify your registered mobile number and email address, which are essential for security and communication. Take your time to create a robust password, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to protect your account from unauthorized access. Security is paramount. After submitting your details, you will receive a one-time password, or OTP, on your registered mobile phone. Carefully enter this 6-digit code into the provided field on the website to verify your identity and proceed. Before finalizing, make sure to read through the terms and conditions for KFH online banking. Accepting these terms completes the activation of your new online account. With your account now active, you can log in using your newly created username and password. Explore the wide range of services available, including checking balances, making transfers, paying bills, and managing investments, all from the convenience of your home. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a great book and other helpful deals. Enjoy the ease and efficiency of KFH online banking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.